Hello and welcome everyone to this brand new course of web design. Today I am super excited to have you here. In this first video, we are going to talk about something really important. What is web design? Why should you learn it? And what we are going to learn in this course. So starting from what is web design? Web design is all about creating beautiful, user-friendly websites that people love to visit. It is not just about how our website looks. It is also about how it works. It includes planning, designing, and building websites using tools like HTML, CSS, and sometimes JavaScript. You will learn all of this in this course. And the second question was, why should we learn web design? Web design is one of the most in-demand skills right now. Whether you want to build your own website, freelance, or start a career in tech, this skill can open many doors. And the best part of this course, you don't need a computer science degree to get started. And the last and the final question was, what will you learn in this course? In this course, I will guide you step by step through the basic of web design. We will cover HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap 5 for fast and responsive design, and the last one is GitHub to publish and manage your code online. প্রতিটি ভিডিও হবে অনেক ছোট ছোট যা আপনার ওয়েব ডিজাইন জার্নিকে করবে আরও সহজ ও গতিময়। তো আজকের ভিডিও এখান পর্যন্তই। পরবর্তী ভিডিওতে আমরা শুরু করব HTML এর বেসিক দিয়ে। তো পরবর্তী ভিডিওটি মিস করবেন না। ধন্যবাদ।